This is Ashish Chakravarti. I'm very new to YouTube space and trying to share my experiences based on my learning. So, today's topic of the video is self-doubt. What is self-doubt actually? I believe self-doubt is something which itself says every time I carry out a job, every time I carry out certain things in my life, every time I try to go into a relationship or emotionally or doing any particular task, I go into a self-doubt saying that the thing that I am carrying out is, will it be really worth, will it be really helpful to somebody, am I really good at doing job? There are many people who are doing good job than me, or very competitive job than me, or they are taking higher challenges in life, they are taking out higher opportunities in life, and what am I doing? I am losing confidence. If there is something wrong which is being done and I am getting scolded up and down by my managers, by my company, by my colleagues, saying that okay fine, you have done this job wrongly, or this could have done that way. So everything puts me into a situation where I feel that, am I really worth doing something which I was carrying out with full passion and full love? Have I done something wrong? And all these questions, when being asked to myself, I go into self-doubt. Self-doubt is a situation where you start doubting yourself, and nobody in this world will doubt you. This is only you who are doubting yourself with your capabilities, with your experiences, your stubbornness. You ask these questions to yourself and you go into a self-doubt. When does this self-doubt happens? When you are actually doing something good for your life, right? Self-doubt doesn't happen when you are doing something bad for somebody, when you are doing something bad in your life, or whenever you are doing something negative. Self-doubt doesn't comes because you are very confident on doing that negative things, and you have really planned yourself out how to get a negative impact out of a particular job. But when you are really doing something good in your life, but when you are really doing something positive in your life, you go into a self-doubt situation. The reason is, it is very easy to do negative things, hamper somebody, affect somebody's life in a negative way, or do not do the job in a productive way, do not help out the company, do not help out the customers, do not bring up solutions. These are all things which are not productive. So when things which are being done and are not productive, these are negative things, and you don't have a self-doubt on negative things, because every time you always say, I am doing the best, I know what has to be done. You start giving excuses, but inside you really know that you are doing bad things. So please stop doing all those things. And self-doubt is a good thing, self-doubt is really a good thing. It questions you in a positive way, saying that, are you really doing the good job that you want to do in your life, right? Whenever you have taken a challenge, whenever you have taken an opportunity, whenever you get a scolding, whenever you get a fire up from your boss or the company or the colleagues, whatever you are doing it with a full passion, and you have failed. And at that point of time, you go into a self-doubt position, saying that, am I really worth doing that? My friends, first of all, that self-doubt which is coming into your mind and which you are questioning to yourself is a good thing. Please do not shaken up your confidence, because believe me, you were doing the right thing with the right heart and right objective, and that's the reason. No problem, you failed, it's all right. You failed, you got the scolding, you got beaten up, that's fine. But that self-doubt creates a question, saying that, what's my worth? What am I doing? Is it really the good thing that I am carrying out? And it also, your heart, your mind gives you the answers for that. If you have really done the job with wholeheartedly, with full confidence. So coming a self-doubt doesn't mean that I lose everything, it is not good for me, I am worthless. No, not really. When these questions are asked by you to yourself, the answers also come by you, saying that, no, I have done the job with my full commitment. Even if it failed, even it was not being completed, that's fine, I'm absolutely fine. I could not have done, okay fine, whatever I could do in a positive way, I have done it. So there is no use of putting down your self-esteem, there is no use of putting down your confidence level. Instead, increase your confidence level, increase your self-esteem, try to do that job again if given an opportunity, in a very proper way, in a very productive way, and finish it up. Once you do that failed job and finish it up again when given an opportunity, you build up self-confidence rather than self-doubt, right? So self-doubt somehow, some way is a positive thing, where you question yourself about what exactly you are doing, and then you break the norms and go ahead and do the job again with a proper and productive outcome. And that helps you build up a confidence, that helps you build up gaining trust among your colleagues, gaining trust among your business peers, among your managers, among the company, saying that okay fine, no matter if the guy has failed, no problem, but he has tried again, and he has made everyone wrong. So go ahead and don't worry about the self-doubt. You just do your job and don't think so much about it. Just do your job. Self-doubt comes, it questions yourself, you answer it in a proper way and get it figured out. Get it figured out, take the best path available, do something for your life, and then you will understand how things are working, how the surrounding is giving you more when you are fully committed to the things. So thank you so much my friends. If you really like the video, please do like and subscribe, and please do comment and let me know if you are looking out for few more videos about or about any other topic that you want me to discuss. I would be happy to make certain videos. Thank you so much.